Jacob catching a nice smallmouth bass. 8-weight. Play him, Jake. Don't move the rod, just use the reel. No, don't.
Sorry.
Bring him over to me.
Ooh.
Nice. You want to pick him up?
Yeah.
Grab him, put your thumb in his mouth.
Ow!
Okay,
You
wanna
pick him
film?
up.
And drop it.
Look at that.
Coda hair fly.
Really? That was the Coda hair fly?
Mm-hmm. Should you measure him?
Yeah. Should I do with the rod?
Just hold it.
Ooh, 16 inches.
Want to play him some more?
Yeah. The guy go.
You want to release him?
Yeah, just look.
Get some footage of him in the water. Whoa! He was excited. Nice job.